Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures look ready to repeat the moves what we have seen during the year 2018. The net gas showed a bumping move in October 2018 from the levels of $3.113, and the same strong upward move was seen here during the month of May 2021, and since then we have seen this uptrend in natural gas futures where the natural gas futures have finally tested an high at the levels of $3.821 during this week and finally facing some resistance here. Friends, here you can see that since May 2021, we have seen natural gas futures to repeat these moves once again, whereas this move during the last week had confirmed the continuity of this uptrend because this move was there in natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see that how this bullish move during the last week got confirmation with another upward move during the last week from the levels of $3.507 where it tested an high at the levels of $3.821. Friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a steep upward move during the month of November 2018. We have seen the natural gas futures to remain bullish above the levels of $3.5. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during the rest of the weeks in November 2018. So I'm expecting the same movements of natural gas futures during the upcoming weeks because here I find that the weather conditions looks to be in favor of bulls. So friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you that here in a weekly time frame, we have seen the formation of a bullish crossover during the month of May 2021. Since then, we have seen the natural gas futures have been maintaining this uptrend, and here I would like to show you that why this uptrend could continue. So here I would like to tell you that on Tuesday, weather models were hinting a building ridge of high pressure over the west known as summertime heat dome would overcome established over the Four Corner region later this week. By Saturday, it will be reinforced by a secondary such system passing through west central Canada. The two systems synergy resulting in a widespread, unusual to record temperature. Extended weather models suggest that high pressure will remain in control and bring significant warmth over the next 2 weeks. As it stands, the intensity of the heat waves this weekend is predicted to be comparable to what once have been in 5 years or once in 10 years event for some areas. So here I find that this intense heat wave will scorch populous areas already gripped by extreme or exceptional droughts. More than 25 million Americans will endure triple-digit heat over the coming weeks, many of whom resides in California's Central Valley. So friends, here I find that after some correction in natural gas futures, the natural gas futures have finally found a strong base at the levels of $3.527 on Wednesday, and here I find that the weekly inventory levels could be another boosting dose for natural gas bulls during this week. So here you can see that how on Thursday the natural gas storage could be much lesser than the previous one. It could be around 34 billion cubic feet, and I find that this could be much lower than this expected level, which could result in a sharp upward move in natural gas futures. And here I find that before the announcement of weekly storage, we'll see the natural gas futures could find a breakout above the immediate resistance at $3.821, where I find that this will confirm the continuity of this uptrend in natural gas. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could end this week above the levels of $4.079, and here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout above the levels of $3.868 on Thursday, we will see this uptrend to continue where a breakout can be expected above the levels of $4 during this week. Friends, here I find that during the next 2 weeks, the natural futures could test the levels of $4.2. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, the natural futures have gained the potential to cross the levels of $4.2. That during the upcoming week, the natural futures could try to sustain above the levels of $4. So friends, now let's check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural futures tested a low levels of $3.527 on Wednesday. So here you can see that how the natural futures started today above the levels of $3.581 and currently trading at the levels of $3.596, which confirms a breakout today above the levels of $3.821, where the target for the natural gas bulls could be above the levels of $3.931. So friends, here I find that still the natural gas futures could remain very bullish. So friends, here I find that this could be an opportunity in natural gas futures. If the natural gas futures once again test this level in today's volatility, we'll see the natural gas futures will try to sustain above the levels of $3.595, whereas I find that on the upper side the natural gas futures could break the immediate resistance at $3.821, and the final target for this week could be the levels of $3.868. So friends, here I would like to show you the current movements before our time frame. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been still maintaining an uptrend after testing a low at the levels of $3.520, what it tested yesterday, and currently the natural gas futures have been trying to breach the immediate resistance at the levels of $3.602. And friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustained move above the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.614, we'll see a faster move. Friends, here I find that today we'll see the natural gas futures will find a faster move above the 9 days moving average, which will confirm the continuity of an upward move. Friends, here I find that before the announcement of weekly inventory, we'll see the 9 days moving average could turn upward and once again could form a bullish crossover. Before the announcement of today's inventory, we'll see a breakout here, and I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustained move above the 9 days moving average, we'll see the natural gas futures could easily break the upper end of a Chimoku cloud, where a sustained move above the levels of $3.684 will result in continuation of this uptrend up to this weekly closing, where I find that the natural gas futures could close this week above the levels of $3.882. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.